So DoorDash reported their earnings for the fourth quarter. Revenue topped estimates. And on the news, the stock popped higher, 4%, or roughly $8. Now, if I just squeeze up the chart, you can see that this was a daily sellers level at $184. And you did get a reaction. However, your moving averages tell you that the trend is up. So I'm going to remove this daily sell level. And we want to look, where's price heading next? But before we do that, stay tuned. I'm going to give you some levels to pay attention to. Let's actually get into the results. So DoorDash climbed on Wednesday after the food delivery service posted fourth quarter revenue that topped estimates thanks to surging orders during the holiday quarter. Total orders rose 19% to 685 million in the fourth quarter from the prior year period, boosting gross order value, a closely watched metric that tracks the combined value of app orders and subscription fees, by 21% to 21.28 billion. Now the company guided for the first quarter earnings before EBITDA essentially in the range of 550 million to 600 million, or 575 million at the midpoint, missing estimates of 585 million. Now gross order value for the period is projected to come in at 22.8 billion at the midpoint, compared with estimates of 22.4 billion. Nevertheless, it was a good earnings, and investors liked, and Wall Street liked what they saw. So let's zoom out first to let you know where price action came from. And you can see that it did bottom out back in October of 2022 near $40. And since then, it has been a nice grind higher as price has been making higher highs and higher lows. This was a beautiful pullback into what was monthly buy levels or buyers at $100. And then you got the next impulse move higher. All right, so let's just correct this. Buyers. Now the monthly chart is suggesting that price is overextended. As you can see, price is at $200 and the 13 simple monthly moving average is about $145. Scrolling down to the weekly chart, we do have a nice weekly buy level, but price did not pull back. Why? Price was respecting this momentum moving average, and this is the 13 simple weekly moving average. Yes, you did get some touches, but you never got a close below back in early January. So where's price heading next? Price is at that psychological round hole number of $200. Now what I want to bring to your attention, some price targets. We have some resistance at 220 and all-time highs, resistance at near that $260 level. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. Let's focus on the $220 level. Price is currently at 289 cents. These are extended range red candles. There are no sellers from 200 to 220. So the charts are suggesting prices will move higher. However, just like we saw back in December and January, price is due for another pullback. Where's price? How high is price going to move down? The 180 level will be a nice level to get long. That was resistance. It should become support now. Nevertheless, look for price to move higher and look for your next target to come in at the $220 level. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.